Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Alright, so in this video, as I promised, I'm going to be showing you guys something different, new content on the channel and all. Right now I just have my hair pulled back in a bun, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought at Sephora. Okay, so I've never done this before. I don't typically do Sephora or like Ulta. I go every now and then for like little things here and there, but I don't normally buy like staple products there. So I did get some things that I wanted to share because, like I mentioned in my previous video where I did my like at-home facial, I wanted to upgrade and get like some better products for my skin. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. What I do want to say first though is the sales associates at Sephora, oh my god, like they will have you buy out the place if you let them. They will have you buy everything. I didn't let them. I didn't go crazy. So let's start with the first item that I got. I bought the Glow Recipe Essentials. So I mainly purchased this for the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. But the difference in price for this whole little set and just the full size of this wasn't that different. So I decided to go ahead and grab this instead because the sales associate also raved about this avocado ceramide recovery serum. So I got the niacinamide, which is basically to like even texture on your skin and to help with uneven skin tone, just an overall like a good thing for your skin pretty much. So, and like I said, my skin's been feeling kind of dull, so I just wanted to liven it up and give myself a little bit of a, I don't know, a little glow. So I got that. This also comes with the plump. That's going to be the hyaluronic cream, which is also supposed to be very hydrating. So I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so I also bought this, the Peter Thomas Roth A-C&E retinol cream. Okay, so I want to mention that there was a rep for Peter Thomas Roth there. So I feel like there was some pushing in a direction to get certain products, but I'm not mad because I actually tried out pretty much everything except for this that I was looking at, that was Peter Thomas Roth. So I got a couple products, including this one. So, but I know what I got. I actually was going to get a different retinol product that was much more expensive, and they were telling me all the benefits of this one. So I was like, sure, why not? So this is the vitamin A, C, and E retinoid treatment, and I am not sure if you're familiar, but basically a retinol is supposed to help with like anti-aging, fine lines and wrinkles. It also has benefits to help with uneven skin tone. So I'm really excited to try this out. They did let me know that this is something that you're supposed to put on at night, so I cannot wait to try this and get my skin like really on glow. Another thing that I got was the Ordinary Moisturizing Formula. It has the hyaluronic acid in it, or moisturizing factors, I guess I should say. I'm really excited to try this out because I just wanted like a basic moisturizer that I could use daily with not a lot extra going on, because one of the things that I did really appreciate at Sephora, they seem to be pretty educated on different topics when it comes to skincare. And so one of the things that they did say is try not to get products that have a lot of the same ingredients, because you can do too much of one thing. So if I got 3 or 4 different products that all had niacinamide or all had salicylic acid or all had retinol, that could overdo it for my skin and my skin could react negatively. So I'm happy that this is basically a simple product that I can use that I'm not really that concerned about, but I am really excited to try it out. I've been seeing Ordinary everywhere and I just never really got any. So I am looking forward to trying out that. Another thing that I got was the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. You guys, I tried this on in the store and loved it. Like the way that it kind of seals in, and if you're not like a heavy foundation wearer, this is something you probably would really like because it was very light, it was very lightweight. And it felt good going on, but it didn't feel like heavy after. And I just tried a little bit here. I tried 3 different colors. I ended up getting it in the Caracas, the medium deep 3.3 Caracas. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I love it. So if you like lightweight, and from what they said, it's actually supposed to be buildable. So if you wanted to, you know, have a more full face, kind of like nothing there kind of face with no blemishes, no dark, nothing. If you wanted to get to that face, you could with this, but you could also just keep it nice and light and sweet. And I live in Las Vegas, so it's kind of important for me to kind of keep it simple because it's about to get real hot. Like I said, they did have a Peter Thomas Roth rep in the store. So they were kind of pushing the products that were Peter Thomas Roth. But I'm not mad because I also bought this. This is their SPF broad spectrum SPF in 45. And I love it. And I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm used to just buying drugstore SPF. I think the most pricey one that I just bought was the Black Girl sunscreen, and I like that. It just leaves me very oily, but it's very traditional in that the formula is very much a white cream. You're probably expecting it to be like a white cast, which for the Black Girl sunscreen, it does not. So from my experience with SPF creams, SPFs, they're typically just a white, thick, creamy substance. Yeah, I don't know, most of the time you end up with a white cast, just very much the same process over and over again. This was not like that. So they did give me two to try that were both Peter Thomas Roth. I chose first. I may go back and get the other one just because it was kind of like a more liquidy. It still wasn't the traditional formula. And this is why I'm just like,
I've been playing myself buying these SPFs from the drugstore for years now.
Now they are much cheaper, but the quality of this on my skin just completely different. So one of the cool things is they actually kept giving out these. I have like 2 of these, and so I've been using one of these until, you know, I'm not going to use this one until I'm done with the extras that they gave me. But it is like a primer. It's this Max Clear Invisible Priming Sunscreen, clear gel, and it targets uneven texture and tone, dries like a blurring primer. When I put this on my hand, it felt like butter. It felt just like, I purchased a Bare Minerals set a while back, and it came with a primer. It was like a gel substance primer, and you put it on, it almost feels like you don't even need anything else on. So that's exactly what this was like this. If you want, you could just put this on if you just want a no makeup day. It does kind of blur out any kind of like blemishes, and I mean, it does make your face flawless, okay? I'm not gonna lie, but it does make your face look like, I don't know, like there's a little blur over it. You know what I mean? It's just, I don't know, it was just really nice. It's sweat and water resistant for 30 minutes, I believe 40 minutes. And I'm just really excited to have this in my regimen now. Another thing that I got is the Sephora Color Correcting Concealer. I've been getting this for a long time. I always go there to get this. Like I said, I do go there every now and then, but I'm not like a Sephora shopper. But this is something that I keep as a staple because I feel like the color works so well with my skin tone. So if I don't want to do a whole face, then I could just do my correcting underneath my eyes and then just go out and I look more fresh, more awake. I don't look as tired and exhausted as I truly am. And I got this in toffee. When I went shopping, I did go with one of my good friends, and she got me this Moon Juice Magnesium. And this is an unstressing drink. So if you didn't know, magnesium is actually a product that you can use to kind of relax yourself. It's kind of a mood relaxer. It just kind of like keeps you calm and less stressed. And I believe she uses it at night to get rest too. I haven't tried it yet because I also went shopping for wine that day. And so I've just been drinking wine. But I am going to start using this to relax. I just haven't started yet. It's 3 magnesiums with L-theanine. For relaxation, brain health, and regularity, which I can use all of that. 3 kids and all. The 3 kids, okay? They had a little like game going on where you could play golf, and if you hit it on if you hit the first hole on your first hit, then you got to get this package, and I was able to get the package. And what I really like most about this is it came with like a full, I think this is a full size, I don't know, a full size water drenched hyaluronic cloud mask hydrating gel. And I'm really excited to try this out because I feel like this is something that I could use, you know, obviously right before bed, to just make sure that my skin's getting a nice plump kind of hydrating experience for the night. It also came with this anti-aging cleansing gel, and I'm really excited to use this as well. It came with a few other products. One of these little packages though, I did already use. Because it came with a few of these little extra packages and some other stuff too that I haven't used yet. But I loved this. This is the Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. And I cannot wait to go back and get this. It's 30% hyaluronic acid complex. And I don't know, it's supposed to provide 72 hours of hydration. I really liked this because of the way that it felt on my skin. The name Cloud in this, it's so fitting because it's like fluffy. It's fluffy, and when you put it on your skin, it feels like you're rubbing, not butter, I don't want to say butter because I don't want you to think butter, but it feels like you're rubbing a cloud on your face. It was just so soft. So I'm going back to get this one for sure. I haven't tried a lot of the other things that came in the package, but this one I did try, and I am gonna go back and get that. That is everything that I got from Sephora. Yeah, so if you've ever used any of these products and you did or didn't like it, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.